Hey guys, welcome back to newayfx. Today is the last day of the trading week, and I just wanted to post the last video for the week. So far, it's been a pretty profitable week so far, and if you guys have been keeping track, we've done pretty well. So I just wanted to go over just some of the winning trades that I had last night. I took a pretty I took more trades than I normally do, because I had one big loss. I think this is the first loss I've had in a while of any significance. So anyway, so I took, these are all the different currency pairs that I actually took yesterday. I took the euro yen, the euro dollar, New Zealand dollar, and the dollar yen. So on the euro yen, I netted 24 and a half pips. On the euro dollar, I netted about 28.8 pips, about 29 pips. I netted about 26 pips on the New Zealand dollar. But then I had a loss. I had a loss on the dollar yen of 35 pips. And the reason I had this loss was I was actually expecting a bounce right here, because I got in here. Right, I was expecting a bounce right here to do a double top, but that double top never actually came, because I could pretty much tell from here that this is pretty much a flag pattern. If you subscribe to be a member, I'll teach you what a flag pattern is. But anyway, this is pretty much a flag pattern. This is one straight and then a whole bunch of consolidation right here. So this is pretty much a flag pattern. And the funny thing is, I actually got into this trade right here, but silly me, instead of me hitting the buy button, I actually hit the sell button. So I had to actually close my position. And well, you know what, as soon as I closed my position, it did exactly what I expected it to explode right up. Anyway, so I had to wait until a retrace, and I got in right here, and it was just lowering just down. It just just never did what I expected it to do. So it just kept on going down and down, and I actually thought it was going to bounce off this resistance line right here, but it didn't. So I actually had to close it out yesterday at a 35 pip loss, and sure enough, this morning it did exactly what I expected it to do. Did a huge bounce, but I was expecting it to do a lot earlier than it actually did. Right. So anyway, took a 35 pip loss on that one, so I had to do some more trading, and but I definitely made up for it, and I'll show you how. So coming back here, so we took that loss here, right? So this is the dollar yen. Took a 35 pip loss, and that was about 5 grand. But then, sure enough, as soon as you take a loss, you just have to get back on that wagon and just start making trades. Because I'll be damned if I'm gonna let the market take my money. You know what I mean? So as soon as I took that loss, took the next trade was the Aussie yen. Made about $650. As you can see, a couple hours later, actually not even a couple hours, like 45 minutes later, took the next trade. Then I took another trade, and that did about $2,500. Then I took another trade, and that made me close to $3,000, right? So, and that one took about 9 hours to complete, right? So, altogether, our profit, and this was the trading day. This is one complete trading day. So if you factor in rollover, so we made about close to $5,000 actually. We made about 50 pips profit. Right, so because it's about 4,900, so it's about $5,000 in one complete trading day. So altogether, it wasn't bad at all. Just this real bad loss that I didn't like, but oh well, it is what it is. I guess it's how you bounce back, right? So anyway, this is the current market, as you can see, and obviously, guys, I am not putting any of the actual tools that I actually use on for my trading. I'm not using anything at all. But when you decide you want to be a member, you definitely gain access to all the tools, and I'm able to successfully predict the market on a day-to-day basis, and it's just like It's pretty much like stealing money from the market, guys. If you need to reach us, it's 1-888-959-1944 or 301-266-7257. Or you can reach us at newayfx@gmail.com or visit our website, which is newayfx.com. Guys, this is just stealing money, guys. As a matter of fact, I'm not working today. I'm just I'm just at home. I might take a trade today. This is a live market, by the way, so I might take this trade. I'm not sure, but the market's it's about to be 12 o'clock, and once it hits 12 o'clock, yeah, people start closing their positions, so you can never really predict which way the market's gonna go, and things just pretty much get really slow. So anyway, hopefully you guys have been following, and just keep watching and keep following us on YouTube or on Facebook, because I'll be posting them. So the market is real, Forex is real. I strongly recommend that if you want to make some more money on the side, or if you want a completely new career change, or if you want to make an insane amount of money, it just depends on how much money you have to start with. Forex is the way to go. I wouldn't even recommend you going into stocks, because with stocks, it's all about investing. We're not investors. We're just traders. We just trade money and we cash out every day. It is a skill that you need to learn, guys. It's not gambling. It's funny how people always come to me and say, "Oh, Forex is gambling." No, it's not. Because if it was so much gambling, I wouldn't be making money every day. So, I'm hoping by next year, we're pretty much close to $10,000 a day. That's what we're shooting for. And I can't make it up, guys. I can't make these numbers up even if I tried. As you can see, this is a live market. I can't even make these things turn color. This is a different. This is advanced dealing desk. This is simple dealing desk. So, it is what it is. Give us a call if you're interested. So, all right, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay.